Quick hands, they're spreading the ball early, the Tigers.
Now Mbye holds it up. Oh, Leilua, it just slipped out of his hands. And now Manu sizes it up. Tedesco.
He's through.
Tedesco's through. Tedesco down the middle. Tedesco almost. Hutchison. A beautiful pass, and it comes out for the wing. And Madikavalu scores. Now Friend with no markers. Tedesco down the middle. Here's trouble. Tedesco. Oh, wrong foot.
Hang on.
Flanagan. Manu. Mbye rushed up. Silky pass. It's just so good. Brett Morris scores. And the Roosters, if you make one mistake against them, they'll cut you to shreds. Taukei'aho, oh look at this.
Wow.
Tupanua pouring down the middle. They're lining up and he tried to do it on his own. Still got the late pass away. Oh, it's another Morris try. The Roosters, half their side is missing. And still, they are having no problems tonight. And now Hutchison, look at them lining. Oh, Tedesco picked up and dumped. Now Liu, Flanagan holds it up. Then the rainbow pass. It's a thing of beauty. It's another Morris try. It's raining Morris tries at Leichhardt. Little, he does it himself. And finally the Tigers are on the board.
Little jumps out a dummy half. Gets in between Hutchison and Liu. And he plants it down.
There's Little. This time goes left for Marshall. The cutout. Dewey! Yes! Here come the Tigers! They were dead and buried. But now back-to-back tries and this game has life.
6 again, hand on ball.
6 more. Tedesco, the intercept. Talau! Here we go! Tommy Talau putting the foot down. Here comes the chase. It's Hutchison. Oh, the Roosters do well. Short side on the last, but Tedesco now. Taukei'aho, the flick pass. Hutchison scores. Taukei'aho, a magic ball. 2 tackles left. Flanagan to Manu. Gets on the outside of Talau and Joey Manu puts this game away. And the Roosters just ooze class. No nonsense set for the Roosters with Hutchison. And Tedesco might have got a hand on that, but it went backwards. Here's Josh Morris, pins, he is back, and now he's got 2.
Tedesco knocks it back into the head of Nofaluma, which should be play on.
The ball is knocked backwards again from Satili Tupanua, playing through. Brett Morris grounds the ball in goals. We have a decision.
Marshall, the cutout. Nofaluma. Oh, Nofaluma. It's too little too late, but it's a moment of magic. The Sydney Roosters 38, West's Tigers 16.
He hits it, he's got it! He's got the field goal! He's got